Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of Computer Class 4. And today we are going to learn about the lesson inside the system unit. So before that, you should know what is system unit. Okay. So before that, what is computer? Yes, I always ask a question, what is computer? So computer is an electronic machine. Electronic, why it is called electronic? Because it works on electricity. So computer is an electronic machine which works on electricity, which takes input from input devices. Which are input devices? Keyboard is there, mouse is there, scanner is there, web camera. Right now you are looking at me. That is also is input device. Process on it using system device. That is processor and gives you output using output devices like your monitor, your projector, your screen, printer. These are output devices. So all these devices are there, but main two parts are there of your computer, that are hardware, and second one is software. Like I can touch my face, yes, so it is hardware of my body. I cannot touch my mind. Where is the mind? Don't know. We don't know where is the mind, but our mind is the main system. That is the software kind of thing. So hardware as the physical part of computer, like here I can touch the web camera. So hardware are the physical part of component or the computer. Okay, hardware are the physical parts of a computer that we can feel, we can see, we can touch. Which are those? Keyboard is there, mouse is there, CPU is there, monitor, visualizer, projector, webcam, many are there. So software are the part of computer that we cannot touch. But in other word, software are the set of programs. Programs means what? Programs means instruction written in programming language. So which language computer understand? Computer understand only language of two digits, 0 and 1. That is why it is called binary language. So computer understand binary language. These things that computer understand binary language. Physical part of computer that we touch is called hardware. The part we cannot see, touch are called software. But software are also programs. Programs means set of instructions written in programming language. These are the basic things that you already know. आप बहुत होशियार हो, मुझे पता है. Okay. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about the parts which are inside your computer. So which are those parts? Processor is there, main memory is there, secondary memory is there, then your CD drive or DVD drive is there, then your power supply unit, that is called SMPS, is there, then your computer fan is there, then some ports are there, and the main board, that is motherboard. Ports means where we connect our USB, VGA cable, sound cable, and all that. Main memory means RAM, ROM. Secondary memory means your hard disk and all that. Okay, CD, DVD drive, which we use, computer fan and all that. So we are going to see all those parts in detail. So first part of your computer is called CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit, and it is a chip. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is small chip present on the motherboard. Okay, inside system unit. System unit means your CPU. Okay, and this small chip is also called brain of computer. What it is called? Brain of computer. Now you can see in that figure right now Core i7 is shown. But if you zoom it, and you can see one same structure is in my hand. Can you see this one? So this is also a processor which I am holding in my hand. Okay, this is a small processor. This is a small chip which is also known as a processor, and all the processing of your computer is done by this small chapta chip. This is called processor. Can you see downside many pins are there? Those pins will set in their desired place on the motherboard, and backside it is a plain and name of processor will be given. And every processor has different speed. Okay, and their speed is measured in gigahertz. In which unit? Gigahertz. In which unit? Gigahertz. In short, it is GHz. In short, it is GHz. So this is CPU's part, that is processor. Understood? Next one. So if you want to see the processor of your computer, if you have Windows 10, you can simply click on Start button and go to Control Panel, and then System option is there. From there also you can see. Or you can simply My PC option will be there on your desktop. Right click on it and see the properties. You will have the processor, name of processor and speed of your processor given over there. Now, main memory. You know, to store anything, we need a storage device. So to store this kind of memory, okay, to store data, computer has two types of memory. One is a main memory, that is internal memory. Second one is a external or secondary memory. Main memory, why it is called main memory? Because it is directly connected to this part, that is the processor. So processor can access it very fastly, and because of the main memory, your computer speed is calculated. Means if your main memory is high or of more size, then your computer speed will be of more size, and it is dependent on your CPU speed also. So we are going to see main memory. Main memory is directly connected to computer and which store information when computer is running or on. So this main memory is again divided into two types. One is a RAM, another is ROM. And RAM stands for Random Access Memory. What is it? Random Access Memory. I'll repeat, Random Access Memory. And ROM stands for Read Only Memory. ROM stands for Read Only Memory. Got it? So this is about main memory. So we are going to see one by one. So on your screen, one long chip is there, okay, which is called RAM, and the same is in my hand also. Can you see this one? This is of 1 GB. It is of 1 GB, and the same kind of black ICs are stored on this. So it stores data. RAM stands for random access memory, and RAM stores data when your computer is working. Means if you are working on one file, suppose in Paint you are painting, so right now that paint file is stored in the RAM. And if you have not saved that file and if suddenly power goes off, अगर लाइट जाती है तो वापस से दोबारा फाइल नहीं आती है. Why? Because random access memory or RAM stores your files temporarily, कुछ वक्त के लिए ही, and that is why it is also called volatile memory also. Okay, it is called volatile. You can pronounce as you want. It's called volatile also. So RAM doesn't store information permanently. It stores information temporarily. That is why it is called volatile memory also. Got it? So we have seen two things: CPU, processor, and RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. Now, this small chip which is present on your computer, that is called ROM. Okay. Nowadays, ROM is very famous in our phone. 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM. So ROM is the memory, which is also main memory, but it stores data permanently. It stores data permanently, and what is stored on that? The main operating system, main software, main instructions of your computers are stored on this ROM. So main instruction by which your computer will be starting, that is your operating system, will be stored on this ROM, and it stores data permanently, because if it is not there, how your computer will start? Okay, so the program which are required for the starting of your computer will be stored inside the ROM. Got it? Now, this ROM is of many types. First one is PROM, that is programmable read-only memory. ROM stands for read-only memory. PROM stands for programmable read-only memory. Programmable means we can rewrite its contents also. Then EPROM, that is erasable programmable read-only memory. Means if programmable read-only memory has some content that we cannot change, so we can use EPROM, by which we can change the content of PROM. Then there is EEPROM, that is electrically programmable read-only memory. That is, EE means electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. That also can store information and can be erased using electricity also. This was about primary memory. Got it? So what we have learned? RAM and ROM. Now these are our secondary storage devices, those who stores data permanently. That is your hard disk, your pen drive, your CD and DVD. Got it? CD and DVD drive, you might have seen, if you push that button, one small that, yes, that drawer will come out. We have to put a CD or DVD inside it, and then again push back it, and your automatically the content of CD or DVD will be played in your computer. Now this is very important part. It is also called SMPS. SMPS means switched mode power supply. What is it? Switched mode power supply, or only power supply variant, that is PSU also. And main power cable is inserted in it, means plugged in it, and main electricity means if it is not there, how your CPU will start. So it provides electricity to your CPU. Okay, so by this we will stop here. Remaining part we will cover in our next session. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.